Good morning and welcome back. We see each other again today. I thought let me make a quick video which will quickly define the points that we had discussed the other day with Save Your Heart. We started with a meditation. We started with close your ears and listen to the sound of the breath. 10 to 15 times you listen to the sound. Thereafter, release your hand. Now, sit down and replay that memory. Try to listen to the sound of the breath. You may not listen to it as clearly as before, nevertheless, try to replay the memory so clearly that you're able to clearly listen to the sound of the breath flowing. You get so involved, the intellect gets so involved in witnessing the sound of the breath that it leaves the intelligence free to function on its own. This is what meditation is all about, keeping the intellect away from interfering with the intelligence that is flowing through the breath. Okay. Number two, we discussed metabolism, raising the metabolism of the body. I showed you one fist exercise. Close the fist tightly and pump it like this. Pump it like this, just like a blood pressure machine is pumping it. The hand like that. Just keep 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Keep keep doing whatever. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. As much as you just wish to. It raises the metabolism of the body. And then I showed you another fist exercise. Close your fist and with the thumb press this top part of the index finger. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, something like that. Now you can do like this: 1, 2, 3. This part you press. So it gives that whole flow to the heart for the blood to flow in, kind of a thing. Then I showed you an marma. Marma is a secret point. It's like an acupressure point for the heart. The marma yoga says this is the point, the middle of the palm. This is the point. One, press it nicely. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do it two times, two sets, kind of thing. Then I showed you the mudra. What's the mudra? If prana is the car, mudra is the steering. If you will remember, we did an exercise when we kept our palms open like this. We could sense the presence, our attention to the top part of the body, bottom part of the body, right side of the body, left side of the body. See how our hand positions were actually changing our natural attention to that part of the body. That means the prana is flowing to that part of the body more. Okay, so invariably we are controlling the flow of prana just through the hand movements and all that. Mudra is a steering. As the prana is the car, mudra is the steering. It goes to specific points. For the heart, my go-to mudra always will be in emergency and very emergency. 30 minutes and there's an impending attack. This will save any person. Thumb and middle finger down. Index finger and middle finger like this, and thumb and these two fingers like this. Just holding it onto like this and breathing for 5 minutes. Fantastic. Okay, this was one mudra I showed you. Another mudra I showed you was in case the pressure in the heart is because of overeating, because of gas or something like that. Take this mudra first, middle, ring, and the thumb. 3 minutes, then release the ring finger. These two. 3 minutes, two times, a set of two times. You go to a party, you overeat, also you do this. By the time you know the prana adjusts the food, the energy properly, the pressure will be out, you will feel much better. And then we did an exercise called nadi shuddhi with the water. Okay, very very beautiful exercise with the water. The fundamental is, where are you? You are there where your attention is. So you take a glass of water, you keep it close to your heart. You breathe with it for some time. Now the water contains all your impressions. You give it your thanks. You give it your, you know, thanksgiving basically. And now the water contains that element in it. And now you slowly focus on different places and gulp the water. When you gulp the water, you can see wherever your focus is, energy flow happens there. So you can, take 2 3 points. You can do the top of the head, you can do the Vishuddhi, and do it 3 times here, because you're trying to the heart. When you focus on your heart and you drink the water, you can see the coolness of the water passing through the heart. And then you go down to the Muladhara chakra, down to the bottom of the spine, and drink the water with attention from the bottom of the spine and sense the gravity sucking it all away. you know you end this exercise very nicely, for 2 minutes, breathing, and focus on the nostrils while breathing in, and focus below the feet while breathing out. That was Nadi Shuddhi. Very, very simple. Then we did a healing exercise with the sound. The Bija mantras, Lam, Vam, Ram, Yam, and all that. We tried. I told you, please, you just check. When you say hum, ha, the sound is emanating from here. Ha, sound is, the origin is from here. I told you this just to make it easy for you to understand. Yam, ya, just say ya. When you say ya, it originated, it started, and then you continue the vibration, and settles the prana there, establishes the prana there. A very fantastic. While doing that, you can always take a mudra that heals the heart, and just sit down and say, yeah. A little discipline, can do wonders to the health of our heart. Then we did a fantastic yogic exercise, something 95% of the yoga related people also do not know, is that this nasal pathway from the tip of the nose to the third eye has its respective button points along the spinal cord. So if we focused on the tip of the nose, and we could very clearly see that the Muladhara chakra was getting activated, remember. So the heart point was this nasal bone, just below this, the nasal bone. And when we focused our attention at the nasal bone, as of breathing in from there, breathing into that, we could very clearly see the heart becoming active. The pranic flow going into the heart and balancing it, making corrections, kind of a thing. So we did that exercise, okay. And then we did a very beautiful, another second meditation was Who Am I? Wherein we touched upon one identity, kept it as a Who am I? I'm Partha. I won't use Partha again. Who am I? I'm father towards my children. Father, done. Who am I? I teach on breath, or teacher, okay, gone. I will not use the same identity again, and find out what more identities come, and let it come and reject, and then I will not find anything, and then I fall into that little silence, very beautiful silence, a very beautiful meditation by itself. And the last meditation I'm going to share to you in a different video. Hope this helps. I make this so that you don't miss those little beautiful points that we have discussed yesterday. Okay, thank you so much. Have a lovely day. Bye bye.